Okay, so we just got these fancy grabbers with the shoe horns from Amazon today. But here's the problem. We put them together and turn these. Now look. Watch this. This is loose here. Look how loose that is. It doesn't snap up, doesn't tighten up until you pull the grabber. Okay? When you pull the grabber, it's nice and tight, but I don't trust it's not going to fall apart. And then take a look at this. You see how this has this nice coating here on this one, but it's not being held in place correct. This one does not have that nice coating. Even though it's held in place correct, no coating. Cheap garbage, don't buy it.
Enough said.
Leave Josh, and I got some boxes and had them in the garage, and he found them one day and was like, what is this? Are you leaving? And I was just like, yep, now's the time.